Here's my Mr. and Mrs Pac-man pinball machine showing off my new LED Pacmaze board that I designed. The board replaces the 50 incandescent light bulbs on the original Pacmaze board with 100 red and yellow LEDs. This board runs a lot cooler than the original Pac-maze board. It is also brighter and is also a lot more consistent in color across the maze. In order to install the Pac-maze board, lift up your play field and remove the J1 and J2 connectors on the side of the Pac-maze board like I just did. Then you'll want to remove the 4 nuts that are holding the board on. Now that the nuts are removed, you can remove the board, pull it straight out. It'll come right off of the studs. Here you can see the 50 incandescent bulbs on the original board. Compare that to my 100 surface mount LEDs on the board that I designed. I've included extra grommets in case yours doesn't have it, but if yours does, you can pull them off and put them onto your new board. I've included a 3D printed part that's the light divider. You can tell the top of it by a little notch in the corner. This corresponds with a bracket that's on the play field. To install it, match it up to the holes on your play field like I'm doing here, and once you got them lined up, take a pencil and mark the 4 holes where the screws will go in. Then take your drill, and I put a piece of tape on mine so it only goes 1/4 of an inch deep, and I'll drill out the 4 holes. Now that the holes are drilled, get the light divider out, hold it right side up with a notch to the top, and put the 4 screws in. Now get your Pac-maze board out and put the grommets in the corners and put it back onto the playfield studs. Next, install the 4 lock nuts onto the studs. And finally install the J1 and J2 connectors back to the board.
Slow shot ahead. Act now, aggressive. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Gotcha.